Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the MSI Mag 255 XFV 25-inch gaming monitor. So as you can see, we have it here opened up on Amazon, and the features and the specs of this monitor is that it is a 1080p monitor. It's not a 4K monitor. However, it is a 0.5 millisecond, has a 0.5 millisecond response time, which is fast but not that fast. Most monitors these days have 0.2 to 0.1 response times, and however, it does have a 250 Hz display and HDMI port, display port, and tilt adjustable. So as you can see right here, this is what it looks like. Now take note, if you are gonna buy monitors like these, that have high refresh rates for, like, let's say 165 and above, they do compromise in the resolution of the monitor and the colors of the monitor, since you cannot have both of the best worlds. So as you can see, let's read the reviews here. So if you're really into FPS games, this would be the perfect monitor for you to buy. So as you can see, this person said, worth every penny, great for gaming, it's amazing, high refresh for cheap, probably the cheapest high FPS monitor MSI makes, good, and monitor, my son loved it. So as you can see, as of now, there isn't any price, and right now it's only about $359. So that is very cheap for a gaming monitor like this, especially considering it is a high refresh rate monitor. And yeah, this is the cheapest monitor that MSI makes that is a high refresh rate. But if you're not into gaming and you're into editing, for example, you're into color grading, this is not the monitor that you should buy. You should buy a color accurate monitor and not this one. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.